Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best toolboxes for garage you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best toolboxes for garage in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Acro Mills Hardware and Craft Cabinet. With the classic look of red steel tool chests, but it's arguably one of the best ways to organize those smaller bits and screws that are so easy to lose. The entire box is 20-inch by 16-inch, making it a space-saving option for cluttered garages or small rooms. The plastic drawer compartments are partially transparent, so finding what you're looking for is even easier. Keep small parts for hobbies or toys sorted and easy to find. Keyholes on back for hanging on walls. Hardware or craft supplies stay organized. Cabinets have 8 small crosswise dividers and 4 large length dividers. 16-drawer cabinet has 8 small crosswise dividers. Flexible, strong, see-through drawers make identifying contents easy. Great for storing and organizing classroom or office supplies, crafts, beads or sewing supplies, hardware, Lego and small toy storage, fishing gear and more. Stack or wall mount cabinets stack securely and can also be wall mounted using keyhole slots molded into the back of the cabinet. For details, let's watch more. Our second best toolboxes for garage is DEWALT DWST17820 Mobile Storage Deep Box. If you get separation anxiety when you're away from your tools, consider this mobile storage box from DEWALT. It's a rolling option, making it easy to carry more tools than you might otherwise be able to comfortably hold in your hands. For a portable toolbox, it's still big enough to store an impressive amount of tools. The main compartment does not have internal organizers, so you can carry larger tools or add your own internal organizers. The DEWALT T-Stack mobile storage unit combines a large volume storage toolbox with durable 7-inch wheels. With rust-resistant metal latches, bi-material top handle and side latches that allow stacking all other T-Stack units on top, this is a great maneuverability solution. Third pick in our list is Akro Mills ProBox Plastic Toolbox. If you're looking for a convenient toolbox you can easily take on the go, then consider this option from Akro Mills. The 14-inch long toolbox is the perfect size for carrying smaller essentials like screwdrivers and a hammer. It can also be used as a craft box or as a first aid kit. There's also an insert tray with a handle that can be used to keep smaller pieces like screws within reach. These handy Akro Mills plastic toolboxes are ideal for storing small hardware and hand tools, arts and crafts supplies, and more. Its metal Loctite latch won't pop open, making it great for traveling and easy to carry with a comfortable handle. Create a manicure supplies organizer box. Organize toys, supplies, or snacks to take with you on car trips. Perfect for creating a grab-and-go box for emergency supplies, such as a first aid kit. High-quality, durable toolboxes are made from industrial-grade plastic with rounded edges for safety, includes large lift-out top tray and comfortable handle. Storing and transporting supplies like hand tools, nail polish, hobby paint, kids' toy tools, first aid, camping utensils, fishing and tackle box accessories, sewing notions, game pieces, calligraphy tools, pens, crayons, markers, and more. For details, let's watch more. number 4 in our side is Stalwart Rolling Toolbox. This modular rolling toolbox offers ample storage, and the 2 tiers can be detached from each other. The top tier has several clear organizers for storing smaller pieces like screws and bolts. It opens up and can be used to store smaller tools. The bottom part is larger and can be used for storing handheld power tools and other larger pieces. There are also clips on the back for rolling up cables, and a pull-out handle makes it easy to take on the go. This wheel tool organizer features 3 small parts storage boxes with 24 total compartments, 2 removable tool trays, removable top storage, and cable hooks for keeping extension cords neat and organized. The fold-down handle with comfort grip makes taking this mobile rolling tool chest along to different work locations a breeze. The durable polypropylene and metal construction means your tools and equipment will be well protected during travel and in rough construction environments. The deep bottom storage compartment is great for bringing along power tools, extra boxes of small parts, or personal protective equipment. Last in our best toolboxes for garage list is Giantex Mini Chest and Cabinet Storage Toolbox. If you're looking for a more traditional toolbox, consider this hardy pick from Giantex. It's still compact enough for smaller garages but affords plenty of storage space. Plus, the 4 rolling caster wheels make it easy to move around. There are 2 separate but stackable components. One is a large cabinet with 1 shelf, which is great for storing power tools. The other is a smaller box with 3 sliding drawers and a top compartment with metal latches. The top box can be removed and comes with a handle for portability. The storage tool box can load much weight. 4 wheels help you save much effort to move the tool cart and change the direction. If you want it stop, wheels makes it stay stably at some certain place. Drawers are easy to be pushed in and pulled out. This product has detailed illustrations and descriptions. All screws and pins are given code number, and assembly steps are easy to understand. The bottom storage cabinet has 2 tiers for storing different size tools. On the side door are there 6 hooks for hanging up tools. Hooks are also convenient for you to find and take tools. The bolt is designed for locking. Red and black color match well and looks beautiful.